Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Remember the iconic flip phones of the early 2000s? Well, get ready to be flipped again because today, we're diving into the latest leaks about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Is it a groundbreaking upgrade or just a minor refresh? Let's find out. At first glance, the Z Flip 6 looks quite similar to its predecessor, the Z Flip 5. It sports the same sleek clamshell design that unfolds into a spacious display. However, don't let the familiar exterior fool you. Samsung is focusing on internal upgrades this time around. One surprising leak concerns the cover display. It appears that it will keep the same 3.4-inch size, but lose the smooth 120Hz refresh rate of the Z Flip 5. Additionally, rumors suggest it might switch from an AMOLED panel to a slightly less vibrant IPS panel. So, is this a deal breaker? That depends on your priorities. If you often check notifications or use the cover display for quick tasks, the 60Hz refresh rate might feel less responsive. On the other hand, if you primarily use the unfolded main display, this change might not be a big deal. One area where the Z Flip 6 seems to maintain consistency is durability. The cover display is expected to retain the Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, offering some peace of mind against accidental drops. Now, let's talk about the most exciting upgrade, the cameras. The Z Flip 6 ditches the 12-megapixel main sensor of the Z Flip 5 for a whopping 50-megapixel powerhouse. This translates to sharper photos, especially in low-light conditions. Imagine capturing stunning nighttime cityscapes with incredible detail or taking crystal-clear selfies that wow your friends. The Z Flip 6's camera system is a significant leap forward for foldable phone photography. But that's not all. The Z Flip 6 also boasts 2x digital zoom, addressing a key limitation of the Z Flip 5. This allows you to get closer to the action without sacrificing image quality. While it might not have a physical zoom lens like some competitors, its digital zoom technology provides a competitive edge, especially when compared to devices like the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Under the hood, the Z Flip 6 gets a performance boost with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This ensures smooth multitasking, seamless gaming, and the power to handle demanding apps. But here's the thing. Foldable phones are notorious for heating up. Samsung seems to be addressing this by including a vapor chamber cooling system for the first time in the Z Flip line. This technology should help regulate temperature and prevent performance throttling. Now, let's talk about the price. There are whispers of a potential price increase for the Z Flip 6, with it expected to cost $100 more than its predecessor. So, is the upgraded camera and cooling system worth the extra cost? That ultimately depends on your needs and preferences. If you're happy with the Z Flip 5 and prioritize a vibrant cover display, the upgrade might not be necessary. However, if you crave a camera upgrade and a more efficient cooling system, the Z Flip 6 could be a compelling option. So, what do you think? Is the Z Flip 6 a worthy successor? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're considering flipping for the newest foldable phone, stay tuned for more reviews and comparisons coming soon. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for all the latest tech news and discussions. Let's keep the conversation flipping in the comments below.